We're just outside of Bozeman, so we're gonna roll in there, stop at a thrift shop, get some pants. And
not just a thrift shop.
Her favorite thrift shop.
So we're about 45 minutes away from my thrift store, and I'm excited to show why it's my favorite thrift store out of every thrift store we've been to across the states. This is the one that has changed thrifting for me. We finished thrifting. This is the only things that we got. So we didn't get as much as you think we would get with all the things that I've shown, but we've learned to get the things that we love and not the things that we like, and not because it's a brand name. So that's how we thrift. I did get, this is the only thing I got that I didn't love. It was a pair of Patagonia leggings that sell for $108, and I got them for $8. So it wasn't a bad deal. We're on the way to Yellowstone, and Samson just made that thrift store make sense, because the first time we went, I was just so surprised at how many brand names were there. And even though the prices are more expensive than most thrift stores, they were in good condition, and they were, you couldn't not find a single brand name. You're gonna find brand names. You just go up to a shirt, it's probably Patagonia. It's probably Lululemon. It's insane. And he was paying better attention than I was, because I heard a lady say, the more that we sell, the more of these brands that we can get. And I was thinking, are they buying them from people? Samson figured it out. Explain.
Well, they had a sign on the door that said that they were selling pallets of clothing for $200. So I don't think that they're getting it from people. I think they're buying pallets directly from return companies. And those pallets are filled with, you know, a bunch of slop, but also some of the higher priced name brands. And then they sift through that stuff, and they hang up the stuff that they know is going to sell, and then they put everything else back on the pallet, and then they offer to sell the pallets for pennies on the dollar.
I'm going where my body wants to lead. You're the soul with arms around me. I'm going where my body wants to lead. You're the soul with arms around me. Head was drowning in our food.
So after that little excursion, Emmy peed on me, so had to dry that, right? Had to dry it. She peed all over the baby carrier. Yeah, she did.
I put one foot in the air. Salvation in my head. Every thought was a cloud.
geyser. Samson says it could be now or 30 minutes from now.
I'm going where my body wants me. The sun revolves around me. I'm going where my body wants me. The sun revolves around we were riding high. Do you remember? No.
We're in the wrong spot for the geyser, but it was still really cool. Now we're gonna see the thing I keep forgetting the name of, but I'm really excited to see.
Grand Prismatic Basin.
The Grand Prismatic Basin.
Slowly coming to a halt, and we stumbled down upon our knees, so we started crawling. The darker the sky, the brighter the stars, shining upon wherever we are. No matter near, no matter far, the darker the sky, the brighter the stars. Waiting for the dawn. Where to go now? Where do we belong? Yeah, I know that we try to stay strong, but we keep on falling. The darker the sky, the brighter the stars, shining upon wherever we are. No matter near, no matter far, the darker the sky, the brighter the stars. I know there.
Saw Jackson Hole and in the Tetons, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw the Tetons as well.
Kind of just drove through there. Though.
We kind of just drove through because, again, we're trying to get home.
We're not trying to get home. It's just the Tetons were more of a scenic viewpoint than it was anything else.
Yeah, very scenic. Very pretty, though. The mountains are really cool. Jackson Hole, on the other hand, as far as the town, again, Samson keeps saying I haven't learned my lesson that I don't like towns. But every time I go into one and I see 4 napkins being charged as $90, I just get a little upset.
If a man with the faith of a mustard seed can move a mountain, then why haven't I seen any mustard seeds move mountains?
Is that a joke?
Let us dance away. I can't let you go.
So this entire town feels like really home county when you're driving through, but as soon as you get into the buildings and the restaurants, it feels like a movie set, or like somebody's memory of a town. It's fading, you know, like just wrong. There's something not quite right about it.
Every place we went to, every restaurant there were no adults. They were all like right out of high school, young college, and this was every restaurant that we walked into. It was very weird.
It's an impressive looking burger for sure.
Looks good. The French fries are fried in beef tallow, and I take back what I said. Like, yes, this place was run by children. Their parents probably own it, but the food is actually really good. So
I tried to order something off of their really short menu, the cheese curds, and the guy had no idea what they were. He didn't seem to believe that they were actually on the menu. It took going, right there it says cheese curds, and he goes, it probably says curls. It probably means like curly fries. He had no idea that cheese curds were on the menu. Just strange.
but like I said, the food is really good.
Until the end of day, just letting you know. We let water flow, working
getting that water time. The other reason I get so excited about beaches is because Emmy can run around and get a better bearing of how to walk and handle different terrains safely, and it's beautiful. I love it, she loves it, she gets her energy out, she goes to sleep sooner, everyone's happy.
How about a round of applause to the setting sun? Let us dance away without getting anything done. Feels like a road to something new. Keep me awake and I'll keep you.
We just went through this area called Logan's Canyon, and honestly we both feel like this is a much more beautiful place than the Grand Tetons and should be a national park, but it isn't, so it means you can see it for free. And we found a really nice camping spot, which is a huge relief for us. We can finally get some good sleep and enjoy a really peaceful place that's safe for Emery to play in.
Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Feels like a road to something.
Good morning. We are headed to Salt Lake City, but we are taking pauses and steps to stretch and get some time out of the car. Weird because this thrift store has a line. Made it to Salt Lake City. Now we're gonna go find the largest temple in Utah, which is
In the world.
in Salt Lake City. I don't know if you can tell or see it on the ground, but there's actually hail. So we didn't get to see super close up of the Temple Square area because, like I said, it was hailing. So we didn't get out of the car, but we are going to just kind of walk around and stall and then keep on moving forward. But now we're gonna let Emmy run around in what I think would be the best place for a kid to run around. Emmy's first time on an escalator. She's so confused. That's a fridge?
That's a fridge. Cruiser.
Oh my gosh. So we've got back to the car. It's really interesting how it kind of makes you feel a little homesick when you're going through IKEA, just thinking about all of the different things you can do to your own home, especially being on the road. But I feel a lot happier being able to leave the maze of IKEA, coming back to the van, getting to go see more things outside. There still is that feeling of homesickness, so it'll be nice to get back home at some point. We're gonna find camp for the night, get Emery ready to sleep, and drive while she is asleep for a little bit as long as we can, and then we'll catch up with you guys on the next one.